So for this example, given the equation here is cotangent square plus cosecant theta plus 1 equals to 0. So notice that our equation here is in quadratic form, but our trigo here is in different trigonometric. Here is cotangent, here is cosecant. We can use our identity formula, where our identity formula cotangent square is equals to cosecant square minus 1. So we change our cotangent square to cos in the term of cosecant. So it will become cosecant square minus 1. Okay, so this is our identity formula. So supposedly it will be start with 1 plus cotangent square equals to cosecant. So we want cotangent, so we move the 1 to the right hand side. So substitute here. And we try to simplify our equation to the form that we can solve. So from here is our quadratic form. So plus 1 minus 1 will be equals to 0. And then we notice that we can do factorization of cosecant theta. So here we can read our answer. Cosecant theta value is 0. Another cosecant theta equals to negative 5. So we still need to simplify until trigo, whether sine, cos, or tangent. So cosecant is 1 over sine equals to 0. So when I simplify inverse it will be 1 over 0. As we know that 1 over 0, it will be undefined. Our denominator cannot be 0. So here we cannot get any solution. Then we move on to another part of this solution where cosecant is equal to negative 5. We can simplify. Cosecant is 1 over sine theta. Then we inverse it, or we cross multiply it. You can get negative 1 over 5. So this equation is ready for us to solve because it's already in trigo. Angle equals to a value. So now we can start solving this equation. For the first step, we're going to find is range of the data. So the range given here, data is start from 0 to 360. So from our equation also data. Okay, so this range is okay already. Then we proceed to second step, which is quadrant. Sine negative occur at quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Then step number 3, we're going to find basic angle. We're going to move the sign to the right hand side to the value 1 over 5. So negative we don't take because negative and positive value here is for us to determine the quadrant. It's not for us to finding the basic angle. So basic angle only use the positive value only. So we can get our basic angle here. (11.536). So 536 we round off, it will become 54. So here is the location for our basic angle. Then step number 5, we can get our solution for this data. So we rotate, start from 0. We rotate to the quadrant 3. So when I rotate to the quadrant 3, it will be 180 plus 11.54. Then I continue to the fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant here will be 360 minus 11.54. Then we simplify here.